What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2011, the big, the bad Ducati Diavel. Guys, this bike is insanely fun to ride. Super fast, muscle power, cruiser, sport bike, hybrid, lover. It's weird. I don't even know how to describe it. It's got this super cool Ducati performance bag on the top. Sorry if it's a tad bit dirty. It's freezing out here. It's got these big old Pirelli tires. Back tire is just huge. It just like comes at you. It's got the single-sided swing arm. Super cool. Tons of tread left on these tires. Crazy sticky. It's got, I don't know, it's got some little, I don't know how you get that stuff off. I mean, I used some spray. You'd have to maybe buff it out. Just a little drip there. It was fun, like he was eating a friggin' popsicle while he was riding his bike. This bike's in awesome shape. These pipes are supposed to look like this. I mean, this is how they all look because they don't have the covers on them. That's just how they come. It's supposed to be this big, bad, mean look. All of this black and like the carbon looking fiber stuff, it looks really good. It's not carbon fiber, I forget what it's called. It's got this awesome pull-down pegs for your passenger, so you don't actually have to reveal these until you finally get someone on the back. But with that bag, you don't need anybody on the back. Front fender looks pretty good. It's got some light scratches. I don't know if you can see with that reflection, some light scratches. And then we got a little bit of scuffs. I don't know. So it looks like, does that come off? I sprayed it and stuff. Okay, so that does come off with like some, maybe like a good buffing. All right, good. So that's all pretty good shape. This tire's in great shape as well, the front tire. This side all looks good. Still a little dirty from the rain, not a huge deal. Chain guard all looks good back through here. Obviously it has the license plate on the lower part, not up here on the fender. Good looking like grab bar jump. This seat looks good. Slight scuff right there on the seat. Slight discoloration right there. Top of the tank looks pretty good. It's got a slight scuff right there. I'm sure that can get buffed out. Some very fine, it's black, guys, it's going to show everything, but some very fine, tiny little hairline scratches. And then the major part that I saw was just some, like, not like even corrosion, it's just like it ate away a little bit, that paint, right where the brake fluid reservoir is. That's pretty typical for bikes. It doesn't really bother me at all. I mean, almost, even like new Harleys I get in, it's like bubbling around there just because the fluid kind of corroded the paint. Let's fire this beast up. It has 11,990 miles on it. This probably will roll over to 12,000 by the time all the test drives are done. So we get this beast in neutral. Hold up. Okay. Now let's see. All right, we are neutral. Ooh, hold up. For some reason, that doesn't want to show neutral. Oh, there we go. It's like clicking right through neutral. Maybe they don't have a soft enough touch. Oh. Dang it. Oh, I had it. Dang it. It's like in neutral, just doesn't want to like flash neutral here. There we go. So we're a little low on the battery on the key. I'll put a new battery in it, no big deal. Fires up and runs great, guys. got that great Ducati sound. I want to see, so you can put it in all different modes. I know there's like a, I think you toggle through like these. That's your trip. Those are your toggle switches for that stuff. Riding modes, urban, sport, touring. That's super cool. This guy kept it in touring mode. This bike's super cool, guys. Like I said, it was just a little bit, the battery for the key's probably a little weak. It's honestly probably just a little cold just from sitting outside. The bike wasn't sitting outside, but just the key from, you know, being outside. That's probably the only issue here. Guys, this bike is awesome. Like I said, a Ducati Diavel with literally, yeah, there, it fired up great. Literally 12,000 miles on it, guys. If it's something you're interested in, let me know. Like I said, 2011 Ducati Diavel. Thanks so much for watching, guys.